responsibility with great humility, because we really acknowledge the journey that these learners have traveled to reach this moment. And further, we are here to say we want to support them and rally behind you, Manuel, as you approach your future endeavors. Yes, indeed, it has been an enjoyment 12 years, from grade 1 up to grade 12. It has been indeed a milestone. But Nkondisi, labantwana laba have shown resilience and courage throughout the entire process within the basic education system.